The last module inside of listing optimization is A/B split testing. And A/B split testing allows you to see the impacts that a change has to your listing and the impacts that it has on PPC. Now we're looking specifically at PPC statistics, and what you're going to do to create a test is simply click on Add an A/B test here. Now you're going to see your overall statistics here, and then you're going to see your chart below, which is going to look at your organic profit and PPC profit. Now let's say we wanted to create a test, let's say a title test, right? So we create a title test, and we're going to do a 21-day test, and we're going to put the values of the test right over here. So first we'll select title. Now if you look down here, you can choose a summary test, photo test, bullet point test, back-end keywords test. You can test your price, discount, and coupon. Now, at this point, you still have to go into Seller Central and make the updates to your listing, right? But our software is going to calculate what that listing did and what if it was more profitable before you made the test or afterwards. So here we have the title test, and then you're going to enter title A, and then here is title B. And then all you have to do is go ahead and click on save at that point. And then once you click on save, and if you go back to the A/B split testing page, then you're going to refresh your browser, and you're going to see that that is going to be listed right on your A/B split testing page, right over here. Oh, let me find it for you guys. There it is. Okay, so here is the title test. Now the yellow indicates that a test is underway, and as soon as that 21-day period is over, this is going to be green, and it's going to be green throughout the site. So if you see this particular skew on the dashboard page, you're going to see that it's highlighted in yellow for the first 21 days, and then after 21 days it's going to be highlighted in green. That indicates that the test is done, and then all you have to do is click on this section over here to see the before and after results to see which one was the winner. And let me give you guys an example of what that looks like on the site. If you go over here, now you're going to notice that this is highlighted in yellow, reminding you that there's a test that's underway, and eventually this will be highlighted in green. And once again, after 21 days, you simply go to the A/B split testing section inside of Entourage and look at your results. And what are we looking for? We're looking for improved click-through rate percentage. We're looking for improved conversions. Obviously, we're looking for more profit. We want more clicks, all of that stuff. And that's going to be revealed to you right down here. As you can see, the statistics for the last 21 days are over here, and we have to wait and see for the final 21 days to see which one is a winner.